Anyway, guys, this is Samani Pizza. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Wednesday. Today it is the last day of 2025. For all the best for 2026. We all deserve good things. So anyway, guys, without me wasting your time, let's get to the story of today. So almost I'm telling you, apologize to Samke, guys, the wife number 5. We all know that Samke was introduced to us on Lieutenant Temple season 8. Musamseleke has never posted Samke lapana ku Instagram account, and people were saying, what is going on? You don't love Samke. So today on the 31st of December 2025, Musamseleke decided to post a picture ya Samke kanye noMacele first wife ibesti yaka Samke with a caption, I couldn't post you the whole year of this year. Today is the 31st of December, which means Samke deserve to be on Musamseleke's Instagram. He also posted ingane yaka Samke. Some people are asking what is going on. I'm tattling phone. Are you sure it is Musamseleke who is posting these pictures, or it could be Samke? People are just so confused what is going on. But we all know that Musamseleke amthanda Samke. There was no way he was going to pay lobel. Remember, Samseleke has a lot of girlfriends. It is all alleged, guys. So for choosing Samke to be his wife number 5, it means that we amthanda Samke. We don't know what love it is, so we're just gonna say now we amthanda, guys. So it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Wednesday. Take care of yourself. Love yourself. See you next year. Bye.